In this video tutorial, I'll be telling you how you can set up a local delivery and local pickup in your Shopify store. So let's move on to screen. Okay, so this is my test store. So firstly, we will going to settings, and then we will navigate to locations, and here we can add up to 5 locations as per my plan, and you can compare plans also. As you can see, a basic plan offers up to 4 locations, and same same as the Shopify plans, 5 locations, and advanced Shopify plan up to 8 locations. Okay, you can set up your location where you have to set up local pickup or local delivery. You can add up your location or your warehouse location where you will be offering services, and then we will head back to settings. We will navigate to shipping and delivery, and here under the delivery method at checkout, you can see a local delivery, and we have to click on manage, and we have to tick this location offers local delivery. And then you can see a bunch of options regarding how you will offer local delivery. Uh, so you can also use your zip code. You can deliver to a particular zip codes, and same as you can set up a delivery radius around your location address, which you have added in the location tab. You can set up your delivery zone. Let's say I have to deliver 10 miles from my location, so I will just simply type 10 here, and you can set up your delivery price here, and minimum order price you can also set up here. And if you have condition pricing, then you can also add condition pricing here. As you can see here, you can also type your delivery message here. uh, you can also add up message here, which will appear at checkout, and also in order confirmation notification, which will be sent during the delivery time. You can also create a new delivery zone. uh, Suppose I have 2 or 3 warehouses somewhere in the country, and you can offer local delivery from all the 4 warehouses. So you can also set up your delivery zones near about that location. Okay, so I will simply now move on to a local pickup, and same under the delivery method at checkout, you can see local pickup here, and you can simply click on manage, and simply tick on this location offers local pickup, and then you can see um, all the bunch of information you need to set up your local pickup. You can also set up your pickup time, and this is how it will look in the preview in the checkout. You can also set up your pickup time here, and the pickup time will look something like this. At the checkout page, it's written usually ready in 24 hours, and the location will be same as you have picked up. You can also send customer notifications about where you will drop the product, and where they have to pick up, and all the other things that you can offer. Okay, so that's it for this video. I just want to ask you guys, if you like this video, if you like the content I dropped here, please be sure to like and subscribe. I will be releasing this type of content soon. Also, if you have any comments and questions regarding local pickup, local delivery setup, then you can ask in the comment section down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.